Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately by confirming your iPhone 16 runs the latest iOS and that you're signed in with your Apple ID. Once done, make sure iCloud and Siri are enabled so data sync works. Now open Settings, tap Apple Intelligence, and grant the requested permissions. This lets the system access mail, messages, and photos. You're doing this to allow personalized suggestions. Tap Learn More only if you need clarifications. Otherwise, enable the core toggles and proceed to configuration. Once permissions are granted, choose the personalization level, basic for minimal data use or enhanced for deeper personalization. You should select on-device processing when privacy matters because it keeps models local and reduces iCloud transfers. Next, assign which apps Apple Intelligence can read. Mail, messages, photos, notes, pick only what you need. Then review suggested automations and shortcut integrations. Make sure to test one feature now, such as composing a reply or summarizing an email. You're almost done. Run a few real tasks. Ask Apple Intelligence to summarize an email, draft a reply, or find a photo by description so you can see results. If responses are delayed or features don't appear, first restart your iPhone to reload services. This often resolves permission or cache issues. If problems persist, go back to Settings, Apple Intelligence, and toggle features off and on, or reset its settings. That clears stuck preferences and lets you rebuild personalized data without losing your Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.